In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the pop-up scam and fake alerts that come from the site Dizans.live. So some people may see such pretty strange pop-ups by the site Dizans.live. Definitely, these pop-ups are totally fake and you should not tolerate them. They display a lot of misleading notifications that try to scare users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Dizans.live, don't trust them. They are fake and deceptive, and they try to make you actually download and install some potentially unwanted software. So if you see these fake alerts, don't tolerate them. Just leave this page. Also, we recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.